Good afternoon, everybody. If you'd like to come with me, I am walking all the way down my driveway so I can get a package that was left all the way down there. They said it was delivered to the front porch, and there's nothing here. I saw a vehicle drive up earlier and never made it up the driveway. So hopefully it's still there. We got thieves around here. I am still wearing my headdress because I have a little bit of hair coming in, but I don't want to show my bald head. Kind of embarrassing. So our place is 10 acres long. Got a lot of meadowlarks around here. I was photographing them earlier from the living room. I might have to sit down here after a while before I get to the end of the driveway. I haven't walked that length since I don't know, April of last spring. Horses are going to be in this pasture pretty soon. We're almost done with it. We're going to have a lot to eat. Here's our new home. I got it before I was sick. Of course, I had to sit down, y'all. I would have never got it knowing that I was going to be faced with this challenge with the cancer. I have not been to work since July. 1st of July was the last time I worked. Even then I can walk up somebody's driveway with no problem, but cancer moved in really fast. This morning I woke up and the deer were like right there. It was the coolest thing ever. I was like, man, I could do this every day, watching them deer munch. It's like they go on these little, I don't know, they routine places. Like in the evenings, they'll be way in the back eating, and they'll eat with the horses, which is kind of neat. And so it's like mini horses. Got something coming in. I think it's a red-shouldered hawk. Yep. Here it is. There's two of them actually. Yep, there's the other one's over there. And we have a caracara that resides here too. I'm thinking about getting a wildlife, we call it like a exemption. I'm gonna have to look into that, see what the requirements are. If anybody knows, shoot me a DM. I used to call it a PM. When did that change? Right? That looked like... That's a loggerhead shrike. That just flew by. Got those, and we got some meadowlarks in the driveway. Way up there. There he is, right in the middle of the driveway. Eastern meadowlark. It might be a western, I don't know. We got a bunch of them. So, alright, back to walking again. So everybody's probably wondering how I'm doing. I'm doing okay. I lost a breast over this whole ordeal. They didn't cut it off. Cancer cut it off for me. It's crazy how it looks. Very, very ugly. Get your checkups. Get your mammograms yearly. I don't care how old you are. It's the most important thing you could do for yourself. If not, they don't find something there. They might find something somewhere else. If you're feeling bad, please go see a doctor. Don't wait like I did. I almost waited too long. Well, I kind of did. They told me I stage 4. I had 6 months to live. Well, I'm at the 6-month mark right now, and I'm still alive. I don't feel like I'm gonna die anytime soon. Figure I got a couple more years left. Hopefully. I feel like I'm getting a little stronger each day. I've been really pushing myself lately. When I got out of the hospital, all I did was sleep. I'll be honest. That's all I did was sleep all day. And I was up most of the night. So it's kind of reversal. I slept during the day and I was up at night, but I slept at night too. I'd be up for a couple hours and I'd go back to sleep. I slept probably a good 18 hours a day. I won't lie. Just didn't have any energy. I mean, what am I supposed to do? So I forced myself to eat more and drink more protein shakes, and forced myself to stay awake. And so I've been doing small exercises like walking with my cane, just back and forth a little bit, letting the dogs out more often, just little stuff here and there to try to build my strength up. My back hurts something awful. They say my cancer went into my skeleton, so my spine feels like it's broken in half. It hurts. It hurts now. I'm not kidding. I got a good 9 on the chart from 1 to 10. Let me go back and take a pain pill. And I've been trying to get away from them too. I've been trying to lay off on the drugs and just concentrate on my Verzenio, and if I ever pronounce it right, I call it anastrol. Some of y'all are probably laughing. That's not how you say it. I don't care. But that pill helps me with my hormones. It's a hormone blocker. And I got pillated woodpecker. Here, listen. Isn't that cool? I got all the birds here on my property that I had in Hitchcock. Screw Hitchcock. I won't be going back there. Chris is gonna sell it. Make me an offer. We'd like to get 100 for it, but I don't know, make me an offer. You never know. Some good birding property, and House needs to be torn down. The RV's going with it, but since we got robbed, they threw trash everywhere. I mean, they threw everything all over the place. It's disgusting. I'll be throwing my RV with it because I don't need another RV. I gotta sit down again. Oh. We got a horse pasture on that side. I mean, did I say horse? Cow pasture on that side. Well, there used to be horses over there. I can't lie. But I think they sold them all. But, we're lending him our water well to water his cows, and then he'll trade off, give us a round bale for our horses. Works out pretty good. So, that thing right there between the property, it's called a berm. I think way back in the day when farmers had their land, they would put a berm up, and what it does is it catches the water on each other's property, and it waters the property or something like that, or keeps some water from either going over there or vice versa. It looks like whoever owned our 10 acres made the berm because it's on our side. So, but I kind of like it because the birds they love anything like scruffy or messy and thickness, and that's what this divided fence line is a perfect birding habitat for all the birds to feed and perch and sleep on. And during the summer months, we have painted buntings that reside in those trees right there. I guess, I don't know if they have their nest on the ground or in a tree. Somebody tell me that if they know. Let me know. And we have all these beautiful trees on our property. It's just amazing. And call this tree right here, Chris calls it the sandy tree, because one year I tried to get up this driveway before it was hard and compact. I got my truck stuck right there. And I'm talking stuck, worse than Chuck. I mean, it was all the way up to the rim, to the door where I can barely open it on my F-250 Ford pickup. And I got it stuck. I had to call a wrecker out. He had to pull me all the way down the driveway. Yeah, it was one trip I did not enjoy. I ended up leaving. I had my tail between my legs so far up there, it's not even funny. I was so embarrassed. Chris said, don't try it, don't push it. What did I do? I didn't listen. That's what I get. So, we've had this place for quite a long time. I think about, I want to say 20 years. Look up Hurricane Katrina